Hey guys, Steve and Kylie here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. Kylie, what gun are we getting ready to shoot?
Today we're going to be shooting and reviewing the Silver Eagle RZ17 12-gauge shotgun.
And this will be your second shotgun that you've ever shot.
It is.
Awesome. Let's have some fun. Guys, we looked on their website and quite frankly, there's not a lot of specs on their website. The one spec that we found was incorrect.
Which was the weight of the firearm.
Right, they said that I think the spec that we were able to pull up at that time was 12 pounds. We weighed it, it's right around 7 pounds. So let's just talk about some of the features of the gun. A couple of things I noticed is that it does have an adjustable stock. Additionally, it is a forward spring assisted foregrip. So basically what that means is you don't have to hit a release to cycle the firearm. You're always able to cycle the firearm without hitting any type of release or without firing the gun. You can go ahead and cycle on through. The other thing that I noticed is it does come with what appears to be sort of an AR style handle up top that incorporates the sight. Additionally, it does have a manual safety and appears to use a no choke tube where it's just an open bore barrel. It does have a bent rib, although I'm not sure the purpose of that other than it looks cool. But the main reason we did this entire review is its price point. The price point of this gun, you're gonna be able to find well under $250. So to get a defensive shotgun under $250, there's not a lot of stuff out there, and so we wanted to at least shoot it and see how it fires and at least bring it to the viewers so that they can see if this thing's any good or not.
Let's do it.
Guys, it appears that it probably has a dowel rod or something in there blocking the tube from holding anything over 2 rounds, so we're gonna try 2 rounds and see how that works. All right, Kylie, how's that shoulder?
Gonna be a little hurting tomorrow.
I thought it was the other shoulder.
She did. All right, Kylie, how's that shoulder?
Be hurting tomorrow a little bit, but that's all right.
All right, so overall thoughts on the shotgun. Was it easy to use? Was it hard to use? What are your thoughts?
I thought it was easy to use. The only downfall I thought was the trigger.
Yeah.
The trigger was pretty tough.
Yep. I'd say the trigger was hard. We haven't taken it apart to see how easy it's going to be to increase the capacity on this yet. And quite frankly, being an import, I'm not even sure the legalities of it, so I'll have to look into that as well. As a shop, we are not going to get involved with that. I like the fact that it does have the adjustable length of pull or the adjustable stock on it and the adjustable comb. Quite frankly, the comb needs to be raised to, which we didn't do, but the comb really needed to be raised to get a proper cheek weld for as high as the sight's set on that particular gun. I thought the cycling of it, it was okay, but not great. Of course, it is a pump shotgun at the end of the day, but on mine, even one of mine, when I cycled it, didn't fully eject out. The trigger was pretty horrendous. At the end of the day, it's still a relatively inexpensive shotgun. On our scale of 1 to 5, again, this is value to what you're paying versus the quality. For what you're paying versus the quality, where are you going to put this at?
I'm gonna my rating is gonna lean more toward the value side, just due to me not knowing very much about shotguns. My second one that I've shot, don't say it's really too bad, but I'm gonna go with a 3.
That's exactly where I was gonna put it at. I think that functionality, ease of use, I'm not sure that I'm totally comfortable with it. And of course, we don't know what the durability is on it because we didn't put enough rounds through it to know that answer. But at the end of the day, I think the price is inexpensive enough that, around that $230 mark roughly at retail, I think that's inexpensive enough that you'll probably see this in a lot of households. So value for what you're getting, probably about a 3.
Thanks for watching our review on the Silver Eagle RZ17 12-gauge shotgun, guys. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please do, and don't forget to like and share.
Take care, guys.
Steve, what are we doing?
I'm calling their stats that are on their webpage. Is there any way that that's 12 pounds? No. I mean, it's no heavier than a standard AR, I don't think, which is about 8 pounds.
Yeah.
Hey, is there any way this is 12 pounds?
I've got a scale in the back. You know that, right?
Wouldn't feel like 12 to me.
Weigh that, see what it weighs. What do you think? See what he says. Well, their stat page says it's 12 pounds. It says 192 ounces.
Okay. Feels more like 7 pounds to me.
That's why I said probably around maybe 8 pounds.
Yeah, so it's a half.
Technically, it's a hand. So it has to have, by law. All right.
no way it's
thanks, sir.
I don't think there's any way it's 12 pounds.
Does it say 12 pounds loaded, maybe? Fully loaded? With like slugs?
How many rounds does it hold to take it from 8 to 4 pounds of ammunition?
72. 72 rounds.
All right, so my prediction is, I'm gonna say 8 pounds.
Okay. I'm going to say 7.39. Closest without going over.
Whoa, wait. Closest without going over? I'm gonna say 7.40.
Well, now I have to change mine.
No?
Yeah, because no, you gave your number, then I gave my number.
I mean, if that was, but then that just makes you an idiot. Why wouldn't you have said, I choose 1 pound? Because then you'd win for sure. If it's closest without going over. If I'm over,
Alrighty, our tax is $641.95.
he's an idiot.
He's an idiot.
We're all idiots.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Except for me, sorry.
no, you're,
We both lost.
Thanks, Alex.
You're welcome.